How to build your own fashion brand. Good evening, everyone. It is an absolute pleasure to be here today to talk about a topic that ignites creativity, entrepreneurship, and passion, building your own fashion brand. Whether you dream of creating a luxury label, a sustainable line, or a streetwear empire, launching a fashion brand is a journey that combines artistry, strategy, and resilience. Let's explore how you can turn your vision into reality. 1. Define your vision and niche. Every great fashion brand begins with a clear vision. Ask yourself, what message or story do I want to tell? Who is my target audience? How will my brand stand out? Your niche could be sustainability, inclusivity, affordability, or innovation. Whatever it is, make it the cornerstone of your identity. Remember, a strong, authentic vision will resonate with your audience and give your brand a soul. 2. Develop your brand identity. Brand identity is more than just a logo or a name. It's the essence of what your brand represents. Focus on brand name and logo. Choose something memorable and meaningful. Visual aesthetic. Decide on colors, typography, and imagery that align with your vision. Tone of voice, how you communicate with your audience, playful, professional, inspirational. A cohesive identity will create a lasting impression and set the foundation for your marketing efforts. 3. Design with purpose. Fashion is about more than aesthetics. It's about creating pieces that people love and connect with. Consider originality. Ensure your designs are unique and not replicas of existing trends. Functionality. Balance creativity with practicality. Sustainability. Many consumers today prioritize eco-friendly and ethical choices. Can you source sustainable materials or implement fair trade practices? 4. Understand the business side. While creativity is vital, building a brand requires a solid business strategy. Key steps include business plan, outline your goals, target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Funding. Determine your budget. Will you self-fund, seek investors, or apply for grants? Production. Research manufacturers and suppliers who align with your quality standards and values. 5. Leverage digital platforms. In today's digital age, your online presence is your storefront. Focus on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are powerful tools to showcase your brand and connect with your audience. E-commerce, build a user-friendly website or partner with online marketplaces. Content creation, share your journey, inspirations, and behind-the-scenes moments to build authenticity and trust. 6. Build relationships. The fashion industry thrives on collaboration and networking. Engage with customers, listen to their feedback, and make them feel valued. Influencers and bloggers, partner with individuals who align with your brand. Industry professionals, attend trade shows, events, and workshops to expand your network. 7. Stay resilient and adapt. The road to success in fashion is rarely linear. There will be challenges, financial hurdles, production delays, or shifting consumer preferences. The key is to stay flexible and open to feedback. Learn from failures and use them as stepping stones. Keep evolving while staying true to your core vision. Conclusion. Building your own fashion brand is an exhilarating journey of passion, creativity, and determination. It's about finding your voice, telling your story, and connecting with others through your creations. Remember, every iconic brand started as an idea in someone's mind. With the right strategy, dedication, and resilience, your idea can become the next big name in fashion. Thank you, and best of luck on your journey to creating a brand that inspires and empowers.